Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix laggy clips inside Medal. Now make sure to log in with your account inside the Medal application, and once you're logged in, so on the left side you will see multiple options. So just go to this option called settings, and once you click on settings, so you will see all these settings like clip setting, quality, audio, video overlays. So just go into the quality, and once you're inside the quality, as you can see, like the quality has set either you want low quality, you want the standard quality, or the high quality. Now low quality is 360 24 fps, and standard is basically 720 60 fps, high quality is 1080 and 60 fps. Now make sure to select it standard if you are facing any kind of lag issues. Otherwise you can just click on customize, and you can just set the resolution as well according to your the device requirements, or whatever device you have you can just set it. And you can also select the video encoder. If you have a graphic card, set it to GPU, otherwise set it to CPU. Selected GPU is basically, as you can see, my graphic card, or you can select it auto as well, and codec should be H264, that is by default. So make sure to try these settings, and once you try these settings, after that save it, and hopefully your lag will be fixed to like a lower extent. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix this issue.